In today's video, I will show you how to make this Cinema Booking BotPress ChatBot. Let's see first what it does and how it works. If I say hi, welcome to the Cinema Booking Bot for Cinema Actioner. Which movie do you want to watch? Let's say I want to watch Terminator. What time do you want to book? 5 p.m. How many tickets do you want? 2. What is your full name? Vuk Rosic. Your booking is confirmed for Vuk Rosic. Movie name, time, tickets, ANA2, receipt. Thank you for booking with Cinema Actioner. We look forward to seeing you soon. So this is a template chatbot, but I will explain how it works. This is a good starting point, and it's important for you to understand if you are building on top of this template how it works. So there is a first node that is called greetings. It will send this message, welcome to Cinema Booking Bot, etc. Then it will transition. It will always transition because condition is true, so it will always transition here. We have 4 variables here. So these variables are actually right here. We have number of tickets, movie name, question, name, time, booking. So number of tickets, type is number, movie name, string, question, string, name, object. So here we will have a single choice information capture. Which movie do you want to watch? It will have 4 choices. Her Terminator 2001 Iron Man. Then time will have 5 choices. It will also be a single choice information capture. Number of tickets will have a type number, default value for example 3, and name will be person. Then we will always transition to confirm the booking. So the first field has AI task. This is the prompt for the AI. Pretend you are a cinema booking system. So this is just like a mock response, but if you are connecting this to a real booking API, you're going to put variables here and you are going to display the data the real API returned. So AI task input, movie is workflow.movie name. Workflow is an object that has these variables, so all of these variables here are stored in the object workflow. So if you want to access them, you say workflow.movie. And you put these brackets around, so this doesn't actually say movie is workflow.movie. It's gonna put in the value of this variable. Then we have time and workflow number of tickets. We're gonna send a few messages. Your booking is confirmed for, and then first name, last name. You're gonna log booking. You're gonna say, thank you for booking with Cinema Actioner. We look forward to seeing you soon. And then it will always end after that, so the condition is true. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.